Would you believe me if I told you that the background you're seeing right now isn't real? That I'm not actually sitting here, but in a completely different place. Right now, I'm just sitting in my room, and guess what's behind me? A plain, lifeless wall. Yes, nothing exciting at all. In fact, let me show you. Pretty dull, right? But don't worry, because in just a few steps, I'll show you how to transform any boring background into something epic. Crazy, right? But that's the magic of video editing, and in today's video, I'm going to show you how you can easily change your video background in CapCut to either a static picture or another video, even if you're a complete beginner. We're on track to reach 500 subscribers. If this is your first time here, don't just watch. Hit that subscribe button and turn on the notifications so you never miss a future video. Oh, and don't forget to smash that like button in this video. This way it will reach more people who need it. So let's make this happen together. If you are ready, let's get started. Step 1. Launch your browser and visit google.com. While on Google, then type FreePic and click the search button. FreePic offers a library of free-to-use stock videos and images for personal and commercial use. It allows you to access up to 10 free downloads daily. For free resources, you likely need to include attribution, which means crediting FreePic or the original creator. While on FreePic, scroll down and select the search category, either picture, video, or others. Now, on the search box, type in what you want to search for. In this case, I will type study room, then search. You can find free resources by enabling the free filter in the search results at the left-hand side of the page, or by clicking on the dedicated free section. When you find the image or video you want, click on it. Locate download at the top right side of the page and then download. Another more guaranteed place to get copyright-free pictures and video is Pixabay. Pixabay is a platform where creatives share royalty-free images, video, audio, and other media. I strongly recommend Pixabay when you need pictures and videos, even music. All content on Pixabay is released under the Pixabay content license, which makes it safe to use without asking for permission or giving credit to the artist. Pixabay's content and services are designed to be royalty-free and copyright released, meaning you can use their sound effects and background music in your YouTube videos without copyright issues, as long as you follow their license terms. Step 2 is to launch CapCut and start a new project. To do that, open CapCut on your PC, click on New Project to start a fresh edit. Now locate the button at the top left labeled Import, click on it and then select the clips you want to add onto CapCut. Point to the clip and then drag it to the timeline. Step 3 is to remove background using Remove BG feature in CapCut. To do this, click on the video clip in the timeline to bring up editing options. Move to the top right. Next, click Remove BG and click the checkbox labeled Auto Removal. It will start processing, showing percentage progress. When it completes the processing up to 100%, your background will be removed. You will notice that this feature is not part of the free tool in CapCut, but do not worry, because I will show you how you can still use this feature and still download and export your video. The final step is step 4, which is adding new background. Now, drag other background clips you imported earlier on CapCut. Drag them to the timeline. Make sure those clips are positioned below the video that the background was removed. Adjust background clips to fit with the initial clip, and then you're fine. Now that we adjusted our clips, let's preview the clips and see how it appears. The exciting news is downloading clips from Pixabay and FreePic to your CapCut is not the only way you can add background to your video clips. CapCut also comes with exciting, background that you can also add to your videos. Now let me show you how it's done. Move your mouse to the top left, you'll see media, click on media, click on that library. Under library, if you scroll, you'll see lots of background that comes with CapCut, which you can also use as video background for your project. Now, all you need to do is locate the one that you prefer, drag it to the timeline, and then yes, let's go ahead and drag it, adjust, drag more, you know, add more clips, add as many background clips as possible. Now that you know how to change your video background in CapCut, the possibilities are endless. You can place yourself anywhere in the world or even beyond. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like this video, subscribe for more editing tips. Type on the comment below. Let me know what crazy background you would like to try out. See you in the next video.